All right, we're here to unbox and unveil a Burberry trench coat that I just picked up. It comes in a very nice bag, thick, with the Burberry logo on it on both sides. I picked this up at Holt Renfrew in Vancouver a couple of days ago. So this is the box and the bag it came in. Oh. All right. Here's the box that it comes in. What else is in here? Just a ribbon, and that's it. I'll probably keep this. All right. Really nice. It says, by appointment to Her Majesty's Queen Elizabeth to Weatherproof Burberry Limited Edition London. It's got that really nice seal, so I'll probably keep the box as well. Let's see what we have in here. If I can get this off. All right. Okay, the lid is off. Got two Burberry envelopes. Let's see what this is. We can set this aside for now. Take a look at that. And then finally have the coat. All right. So got the trench coat. And this one is the Burberry Sandringham. And I'll show you what that looks like in just a sec. What else do we have here? So just some filler, but we've got a Burberry, what looks like a, oh, nice, a little travel case for the trench coat and a hanger. Okay, that's it for the box. All right, probably keep all of these things. Now we've got the trench coat. All right. Let's see what this is. Okay. I'm so excited for this. This is awesome. It's the Burberry Sandringham. I'm a 5'11" and about 160 pounds, so this one's a size 52. Just so much detail to this coat. Let's button it all. We've got so many different buttons. Feels like it has a lot of weight to it, but we've got the Burberry check in there. Let's see what this looks like. It fits perfectly. I mean, I've tried this on at the Burberry store, and they ordered a brand new one online, so it came in a couple of days ago. I think it's perfect. It's actually just perfect, like not too loose, and it's supposed to fit on you like kind of like a suit. Actually, kind of fitted. So yeah, we've got two. Let's take a look at what's in here. Okay, I think this is the shipping note. So it's got the original price and size, etc., all those details. And then page 2 here, a return form if needed. Ooh, okay, taking a look at the back. And the Burberry knot there. I kind of like to wear it that way. There's a couple of different ways to wear it. You can wear it all cinched up, or from what I was told, you can just button up this way. That's one option. You can wear it this way. Wear it open. Have it in the back. This one's more casual way. If you just want to slip it right on. Yeah. I think I'll wear it mostly like this. Okay, well that's it. So to show the jacket.